The first rates then on your screens, it's a fresh high yet again, 19,400. A smooth start of about almost 0.5% is what you're seeing right now for the Nifty. I can see the mid-cap index though is a lot more tempered, so is the Nifty Bank. The first stocks that you want to look out for is IDFC as well as IDFC First and IDFC, so look out for what those names actually do in trade. And then of course we're going to start off with Reliance as well, considering Jio has launched the internet-enabled Jio Bharat 4G phone, and that comes at a drop-down price of just $9.99. Reliance a little bit tempered in trade though this morning. Hero MotoCorp, they've launched X440. That's a bike in partnership with Harley Davidson. It's going to be competing with the likes of Eicher as well as Bajaj. Hero MotoCorp starts off with a move of 1.5%. Let's see what Eicher as well is up to. More than Bajaj Auto, it's Eicher which has dominated this particular segment. Eicher has gapped down 4% lower for Eicher Motors as we speak right now. Bajaj Finance, what a strong quarterly update coming in. The Q1 new loans have come in higher by 34%. The AUM growth has been the best in 14 quarters. Bajaj Finance has gapped 6%, and that's a heavyweight giant which is moving with that kind of momentum. 6% higher for Bajaj Finance as we speak right now. There's Biocon as well. We just reported to you. They've launched their biosimilar in US with a drug market size at about $18 billion. As of calendar year 22, Biocon 0.8% higher as we speak right now. And Lupin also, which has got the US FDA and a nod for one of its nasal sprays. So look out for what that stock as well does in trade. Still settling down for both IDFC First Bank, IDFC Finance Holding and IDFC, remember, are going to get merged with the bank. The ratio at 155:100. IDFC First Bank lower by 3.25%, and IDFC, the holdco, is higher right now by 2%. The last time I checked, almost 3% higher now as we speak. So these are a bunch of stocks which are going to be in focus. I also revisit the big movers from yesterday, and yesterday was the traction day when it came to smaller banking names. So be it Canara Bank, be it BOB, they all held out. There was of course L&T Finance also after the management rejig that got announced, which was a big mover, held out by nearly about 7%. So let's revisit the print on L&T Finance Holdings. Right now it's a little tempered, 2.25% lower as we speak right now. What are the big boys from the oil and gas space doing? We talked about Reliance. Reliance was tempered, but what about BP, IOC? And then, of course, a decent move coming in on SBI as well yesterday. They look a lot more tempered right now. But yep, the Nifty level, that's not going to give you any reason to complain. We continue to hold out at that 19,400 rate. Kunal, the first trades that you're punching in.
That'll be on SBI. I think the PSU banking stocks and the pack looks very attractive at current levels. I think SBI has been something which has just recently found its mojo back, breaking past the 575 mark on the spot level. So would suggest to buy as well as looking to buy SBI at current levels for a target of at least 610 to 620 over the very near term.
I also want to check in on what Avenue Supermart is up to, considering their quarterly update was not looking all that impressive. So that stock will just come up for you on your screens. It's really been all over the place, currently higher by about 0.4%, but I think we should just give it some time to actually settle down. The Sensex, by the way, it's surpassed 65,550 for the first time ever. So we're really in blue sky territory, both for the Nifty as well as the Sensex right now. Just awaiting the first rates within the F&O market. They too will start trickling in. But Naresh, the first rates are trades that you're punching in.
So a buy on Jindal Steel, keeping a strict stop loss at 580, expecting a move towards 650 in the short term.
All right, there you have it. Those are your first trades being punched in by our charters. Let's